Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2017 Chevrolet Traverse SUV that is factory certified. On the exterior of this SUV, we have power and heated door mirrors with turn signal indicators, power liftgate, and rear backup camera. Inside of this Traverse, you will find comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated front seats, dual moonroof, and auto-dimming rearview mirror. The 6.5-inch touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2017 Chevrolet Traverse has less than 74,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.